Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. Single-day spike in Cardano whale accumulation in months. The spike came at a time in which data revealed that Cardano's developer activity so far this year is more than 7 times that of BTC, and has recently greatly surpassed that of Ethereum. Lucas Altamiro, head of research at Into the Block, wrote that decentralized exchanges on Cardano have raised capital from reputable crypto funds such as Three Arrows Capital, and added, Cardano appears to be showing signs of promise for more to come after years without launching smart contracts. This appears to be translating into an accumulation of ADA from large players. Cardano whale holdings have been increasing after a 70% correction on ADA's price, Altamiro wrote, noting that the referred group, along with addresses holding more than 100 million ADA, recorded double-digit growth month-over-month. The analyst noted that these whale addresses had previously sold a large amount of their holdings right before ADA began to crash, which suggests they are now eyeing a potential surge in the price of ADA. Notably, last month Singapore-headquartered cryptocurrency trading platform Bitrue added ADA as a base currency on its exchange, with the launch of 9 new trading pairs. A base currency, it's worth noting, is the first currency appearing in a currency pair. It represents how much of the second currency, the quote currency, is needed to get 1 unit of a base currency. No evidence to suggest that money laundering is taking place. According to Hansen, this amounts to an absolute violation of privacy rights. The Economic and Monetary Affairs Committee is set to vote on these provisions on Thursday. El Salvador has sought to position itself as a paradise for crypto investors, after becoming the first country in the world to make Bitcoin legal tender. But over the weekend, the Central American nation declared a state of emergency after a spike in killings on the streets. At least 62 murders were reported on Saturday alone, many of them gang-related on the most violent days seen in El Salvador for 30 years. The new emergency measures will be in place for 30 days, meaning communications may be monitored, and some public gatherings will be restricted. It's unclear whether this will result in further delays to the planned launch of Nayib Bukel's Bitcoin-backed volcano bonds. Ukraine has launched a virtual museum of non-fungible tokens that document Russia's invasion. Metahistory Museum of War features NFTs that document the conflict day by day. Tweets from news sources, politicians and government departments are accompanied by pieces of artwork. All of the funds raised through the sale of these NFTs will go to Ukraine's army and civilians, and it's hoped the collection will also preserve the memory of real events. Going forward, Metahistory says that NFTs will be created in chronological order, with artists from Ukraine. On the Cardano Ada network has recently gotten close to the $70 billion mark, surpassing the volume seen on the Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, networks. Cardano's surging volumes come as the total value locked on its decentralized finance, DeFi, apps tops $400 million. According to data from Messari, Cardano's daily transaction volume was at one point close to the $70 billion mark, above BTC's $15.9 billion and Ethereum's $3.6 billion. The only other chain that in a 24-hour period surpassed $1 billion in transaction volume was that of Litecoin, $LTC. Transaction volumes on the Cardano network have been exploding along with its decentralized finance ecosystem, which according to DeFi data is now above the $400 million mark. As CryptoGlobe reported, MintSwap, an automated market maker, decentralized exchange, DEX, on Cardano which supports multiple pricing functions for a single liquidity pool has recently become the top DeFi protocol on Cardano by total value locked. Next to it is SundaeSwap, a native, scalable decentralized exchange and automated liquidity provision protocol that is backed by Fund, Alameda Research, and Double Peak Group. While MintSwap has $188 million in total value locked, SundaeSwap has $113 million. As CryptoGlobe reported, a widely followed ADA whale has recently revealed they believe the total value locked and the Cardano blockchain is going into the billions soon as more projects are launched on top of it. The whale added that alternatives to decentralized money markets such as Compound and Aave are lined up, and pointed to the Cardano community being ready to bootstrap its own DeFi growth. Their comments came shortly after Cardano surpassed Kusama in terms of total value locked. Earlier this month, Charles Hoskinson, co-founder and CEO of IO Global, the company responsible for Cardano's research and development, suggested we ain't seen nothing yet when it comes to TVL on Cardano, as several projects are waiting for the Vassal Hard Fork Combinator (HFC) event, which is expected to take place in June. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around $1.79 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.04 with a minimum price level $1.74.